What is up, Interceptor Squad? That is right, you guys heard me say Interceptor Squad and not Crown Vic Crew. I decided to start off my intro with Interceptor Squad instead of Crown Vic Crew. So just because mainly I don't have a Crown Vic anymore, Interceptor Squad sounds so much more, open, and it applies to a lot more people. So, that's how I'm going to be starting off my intro. We're now the Interceptor Squad, Notorious Interceptor Squad. So before I do start and get with this unboxing and review, I just want to say I do really apologize for not uploading last week. I had a small surgery on my knee. As you guys can see, I'm still bandaged up a little bit, gotten a lot better. Without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing and review. So this is a universal laptop mount. I'm going to show you guys how it installs, and then I'm going to drive around with it with my laptop on, see how it is, if it's sturdy, all that good stuff. As you guys can see, AA Products makes it. Here's all the information if you guys want to go check them out. I ordered this on eBay. It was $50 on eBay. I will have a link down below if you guys want to go pick it up, or if you guys want to buy it from their website. I don't even think they are right there. There's the website. If you want to buy it from the website, I guess go ahead, but eBay's a lot faster. So let's open it up and let's see what it includes. So that's what it looks like right there. Has two cup holders, which is pretty cool. It comes with all the mounting hardware and all that good stuff. So comes the instructions right when you open it, which is a good thing, even though it's really not that hard. So basically, this is how the whole thing works, is with this bracket right here. And what this bracket does is it's going to go right underneath that bolt. As you guys can see right there, you have to unloosen that bolt, slide this in, tighten it back up, and then that's pretty much how the whole stand is going to sit. So once you have that installed, I'll show you the next step. So I'm going to install that real quick.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so I already ran into a problem. So like I said, they're supposed to bolt underneath your chair, your passenger side, but I'm not sure if you guys can see. The Taurus ones are flat. They don't have any groove or anything to it. Oh, there you go. You guys will be able to see. See, it's completely flat. I'm not sure what that is, but yeah, basically that bracket is supposed to go right in there, and then you're supposed to screw it on top. I'm not sure why these are flat. I've never seen it like that. So I'm gonna try to put it right here and screw that in. Hopefully that'll work. I probably gonna have to end up getting a bigger bolt, a bigger nut, so it holds a little bit better, but I mean, it should be good. This is, pretty hard metal. The industrial console is here, so I'm gonna try to put it there. Hopefully that works. Yeah, usually you guys are supposed to put it right underneath there. So if you guys have a Taurus, this laptop mount might need some customized work, but for every other car it should be good. I mean, every other car I've seen, it has like bolts over here, and you just unscrew it and throw that under there. So there's no other bolts or anything under here. I tried looking. Yeah, there's a bolt up higher on the seat, but it's blocked by like a little, I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but there's a bolt up on like the upper part of the seat, but I mean, I can't access it. So we're gonna try that, and we're gonna see how that right there, that little contraption goes. So all right guys, so I took this bolt out, this whole unit, which goes into here, because I noticed it was a little flimsy when I started tightening. Everything was starting to move, so I was like, oh, okay. So I tried to take this bolt off to get a bigger bolt so it'd be more secure, but for some reason this doesn't come out. So I'm probably gonna have to go to Home Depot or something and get another one of these, because that is literally like locked in there. I tried for like a good 20 minutes, put WD-40 on it, it's really stuck in there. So that bolt is not gonna come out. So I'm just gonna put a washer so it holds more of the area down, if you guys know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna do that and see if it's a little bit more sturdy. I mean, it should help a lot, but if not, I can always just go and get another one of these pieces. I'm sure they sell them at hardware stores, and secure it down a little bit more properly. But I mean, that's what you do when it doesn't fit how it's meant to. You kind of gotta makeshift your own rig, and it fits good, surprisingly, because I thought it was gonna be tight hitting this and all, but it actually works really good. So I'm gonna finish all this up, put everything back together, and then we'll see the final product. All right guys, so here is the final product. Ooh, looks good. Try not to show my reflection, because you guys always seem to point that out. So anyway, there it is. Works really good. Obviously it's a little wobbly because I had to makeshift mine. Yours will be a lot more sturdy as long as you mount it underneath the seat. But I don't think it's gonna go anywhere, to be honest with you. But let's just take that off, show you guys. Cup holders. This part right here is for when you flip it back. It's metal. Everything's metal, so pretty like strong. It's not Doesn't seem very, very flimsy. There's my final harnessing rig, whatever you want to call it, my contraption. Like I said, again, it's very wobbly because as you can see, there's no support over here. This part right here is actually meant to sit, you know, alongside the ridge of the floor, so it's a lot more sturdy. Like I said, again, if you guys have a Crown Vic, I'm pretty sure the Crown Vic just has the regular seat bolts. But for now, I think this is good. You know, yeah, it's a little bit wobbly. This thing is in the way. I might have to find a new spot for this. But I don't plan on having my laptop all the time in here. I know a lot of you guys are probably saying now, why do you have a laptop mount? Like, are you trying to look like a cop, man? No, I have the laptop mount mainly because of this right here, my dash cam. Instead of me always having to take the SD card out, bring it all the way up into my house, go through hours of footage on my my laptop, and see if I caught any reactions, if anything went wrong, stuff like that. I could just have my laptop in here, and if I'm at work or something, sitting in the parking lot, I can just look through it all right here instead of having to wait to go home and all that good stuff. So it's good to edit on the go, so that's also another reason why I got this as well. If I get some footage or whatever from a long day, and let's say I stop to get something to eat, I could sit in a parking lot, throw that up here, and edit some videos and stuff. So it's really, really cool. Let me take this out of the way so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. It's pretty cool. I mean, I really like it. It doesn't block too much of the center console. I can still reach everything. I can still tune, touch my radio perfectly fine. This is also adjustable. You can adjust it back, front, so it's cool. It pivots. It does not slide in and out, so be aware of that. It does go up and down, and it pivots like this. So that's pretty much it. I mean, very, very simple. Overall, a really, really cool design. I got 2 cup holders here, 2 cup holders here, and I got another 2 cup holders here. So even when my laptop's not in here, I can have, drinks in here and stuff. I don't know really why I would, but it's there for, if you need it. It also doesn't take up too much space in the passenger side. I honestly thought it would, but sitting in there, it's not that bad. You just kind of scoot over that way. But I mean, I really don't have a lot of passengers in my car anyway, because I don't like passengers in my car. It also comes with these straps as well, I forgot to mention. Alright guys, so I just drove around a little bit and it is actually extremely, extremely wobbly. So I actually might have to put like a tiny piece of wood right under here just to hold it up a little bit. Just so it's not as wobbly, because as you guys can see, there's a pretty big gap over here. Like I said, again, this is actually meant to sit on support. So, I mean, I don't have any, worries about it snapping, from the actual, from there. But it's just really, really wobbly. So, like I said, again, I'll probably put like a little block wood or something over there, just something underneath to hold it. Nothing too serious. I still really like the way it came out. But yeah, that's going to be pretty much it for this video, guys. There it is again, one last look. If you guys want a link to this, it'll be down below in the description. $50, not too bad, especially if you do a lot of editing and stuff like that, or you just want a laptop mount. Who knows? Whatever your needs are, it'll be down in the description below if you guys want. I hope you guys did enjoy this video / review, even though I really couldn't mount it the proper way it's meant to be, because that little issue we ran into. But anyway, nevertheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure to drop a thumbs up. I will try to upload a lot more consistently, no more one video a week. I'm gonna get back into the habit of uploading every 2 to 3 days like I did before. So, but anyway, yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll see all of you guys in the next one.